everyone, Melissa here. Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. So I am thrilled to announce that I have joined the My Creative Scrapbook team. I love this kit club and I love the kits. I was guest designing for them in November and December and I'm thrilled to be able to stay on. So what I'm showing you today is the amazing January kit. This took a while to get to me because here in New Zealand it just takes a while. Everything's taking a while at the moment and we're quite far away. So it's just a case of having to bear with it and waiting patiently for my package to arrive. But it arrived yesterday. So this kit features the Vicky Bouton print shop collection and I'll take you through it now. Okay, so the predominant papers in this kit are the Vicky Bouton print shop collection, but there are a couple of others in there as well. So this one is called Print Shop and it's the 3x4 cards. So cut aparts, really beautiful. B-side is this beautiful green pattern if you don't use cut aparts. This would have to be one of my favourite patterns in the kit. It is called Cross My Heart. Definitely want to be fussy cutting this. That's the B-side. This is a piece of paper from Bow Bunny. It's called Beautiful Things Flutter. So some lovely butterflies, which I'm sure I'll be fussy cutting. But the B-side is also beautiful with tickets and doilies as well. This is back to Vicky Bouton called Flourish. And I know I'm going to be fussy cutting out some of these. And there's a purple pattern for the B-side. This one is called To The Point. So just a lovely large polka dot and then some stripes. This one is the 4x6 cut apart cards. So these are really lovely for journaling. You could even make a mini album. And I love the navy pattern on the B-side. This one I love as well. It's called Spot On and I'm trying to think of something really creative I can do with these. B-side is some flowers. This is a text pattern. I love using, not text, I guess it is text, isn't it? Yeah, it's called Typeset. I love using these type of patterns for backgrounds and doing mixed media on top. And I love that as well. So if I have to sacrifice one side, it'll be this side. These are the tags. Beautiful, lovely details on here. I love them all. But I also love this. So it'll be interesting once I cut these out. I'm sure these will line up with the holes, but like paint swatches. You could make a mini album with these as well, so that's another idea. And this is called Etched, which is a beautiful pattern and colour and a navy floral B-side. Love this for a background. It's called Pencil Me In. And yeah, these are pencils on the B-side, really, really cute. This one is called Assemble. It's very much Vicky style. You could cut it apart or even use it as a background. Beautiful floral. And then this is a piece from the Evergreen and Holly, also Vicky Bouton, called First Snow, and I love this. We get the print shop sticker sheet. There's 120 stickers in there. Lovely, beautiful, typical Vicky style, which I love. What I love about Vicky is that all her pieces are made to be layered. So I know some people struggle with that, with tucking things under, but I think just the different sizes and things work. You could use these words for titles as well. So that is that. We also get the Making Things chipboard foil phrase stickers. These are amazing. I love Vicky's chipboard because it's not too thick. So lots of words, phrases, icons, yeah, tabs, butterflies, flowers, birds and snails. Then we get the embellishment pack. So I'm not gonna take these out, but you can see what's included in there. So lots more of the elements from the collection. And this embellishment pack as well. Both of these have 50 pieces. So this is more a florals one with a few words as well. Really lovely, florals and leaves. And then this is a stencil. I think we always get a stencil. This looks like a Vicky Bouton one. So I'll take it out and show you because it looks like florals. that is just the pattern. That's just the pattern on that, but that's the best way to show you. So it's like quarter circles, uneven, but yeah, really lovely. So I'm gonna make an effort to play with the stencil this month. I think I did last month. Yeah, I did. I used it to make embellishments, but this time I think I'll use it on my background. So that is the gorgeous kit, and because my kit is late, I'm gonna get on really quickly and get creating. So thanks for watching. Okay, so for this layout, I am using a cut file that is exclusive to kit subscribers. You get 2 amazing cut files each month, and I just love them. And this month I definitely used both of them. So for this one, I wanted to do a more masculine layout. I think with 3 girls and 1 boy, I'm more drawn to feminine layouts. And because my son is the oldest, so he's nearly 16, it's getting harder to get photos of him. So this is a photo from last year. We went to high school for his dean's meeting. So it's a meeting that they have to decide on their timetable, I think, and their subjects that they're choosing to make sure everything works out. And they want parents to go as well, and it's really good. And so, no, I wasn't going to ask him to turn around and face the camera. I just took the photo. It gets harder when they're teenagers to get photos, and even to have them want the photos to be shared on social media. So this just documents that meeting that we had, and although I'm not in the photo and he's kind of, not looking at the camera and not really in the photo. I guess he's in the photo, but he's not, if you know what I mean. It's still, there's a memory associated with this. So as they get older, you want to look at more creative ways to scrapbook them. So I love this background paper, and I really wanted to play off the circle patterns on it. I love that there is a bit of mixed media on there, and I just added a few more black ink splatters. Did I? Or is that on the paper? Must be on the paper. Don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, so I wanted to position my photo with the word "the" over the photo. It's just over his leg, so it's not really covering anything major on the photo. And then because this is a school layout, I'm just using a few of the office supply type things in this collection. So I have gotten that it's like a stack of paper with a paper clip, and I've layered a piece of like notebook ephemera behind it using a couple of these paper clips, using a file tab, and I just love this banner piece, and I thought it looked really cool under the word amazing. And I love this bird as well. I don't know, it doesn't really go with it, but I just thought it looked cute. And so just being really intentional about what I use, because it is a teen boy layout, wanting to reflect the school theme. So just going through everything here and looking for circles, looking at the stickers and the chipboard stickers. And what I love about Vicky Burton's chipboard is it's quite thin, so it just works really well as another textured piece to put on your layout. So just adding circles. I was going to use that heart, and I was going to put some thread through the top of it, but I think it was just too big, and I didn't want to dominate the printed circles on the background paper. And I love working with a printed background and making it my own. I know some people find that difficult as well, but if you just go off, like, the main theme in this instance is circles, and just let the layout flow from there. So adding bits and pieces, adding my journaling now, just talking about what I said about going along to that meeting. And then yeah, I love that 1, 2, 3 go ephemera piece, that it's got the words and then it's got a circle, and that's my layout. So I hope you've enjoyed this little share of the kit and also this layout that I've made. Head on over to the website in the link below.